Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to tell you about one of my favorite things that Quizizz, the very popular gamification platform, can do, which is make flashcards for you and your students automatically. Let's check it out. So everything begins signed in to my Quizizz account. You can see this is like my homepage dashboard, let's just call it. And the button we're going to want to start with is this purple one on the left-hand side that says Create. When I click Create, it's going to show me all the really cool stuff that Quizizz can do, like the classic assessments, but also lessons, passages, and yes, interactive videos. The newest here is called flashcards. If we click that, we'll get started and you can see just how great this is. So you can see over here on the left, yes, you can make them from scratch, which is fine, and you might want to do if you have time, but I don't have time, and most of you listening to this don't either. So instead, what I'm going to recommend is we're going to take advantage of this Generate with AI option, which allows me to either paste in any text that I want, upload a document, type in a topic of your choice, or select an article, and it's going to automatically use their AI to make the flashcards for me. I could then go edit those if needed, but here's what I'm going to do from the teacher's side. I've got a study guide with a series of questions that I ask my students and is posted and available for them to practice from. What I could do is upload this document, but here I'm actually going to try copy pasting the text just to see how that works. So I've highlighted, I've copied, I'm going to come back in where it says paste text, paste in those study guide questions, and then click Generate Flashcards. And after less than a minute, maybe about 30 seconds, it's taken all those questions and imported them as flashcards. Now these are done as open-ended because those are the types of things that I copy-pasted in. What you could also do now is come over here where they've got some other AI actions, one of them being add answer explanations. And it's going to take each of those questions and suggest possible answers, and when you click Save Changes, now without doing any work at all, there are responses to those questions, and I can provide this to my students as just an extra study option. You know, for a lot of people, they maybe don't like looking at, you know, just a straight up blank worksheet of stuff. Maybe the flashcard view, which looks like this, by the way, we can preview this. Maybe this is preferable, and I don't have to vet these questions for quality because they are created from my own study guide documents. And I just think this is a no-brainer to, you know, with almost no prep at all on the teacher's part, provide this really excellent option to your students as a study aid. So that wraps it up for this video on Quizizz flashcards. Thanks a lot for watching.